Welcome back to Baking the Basics. I'm Mom, Liz.
I'm Maddie, Rose.
And today we are going to show you how to make carrot cake from scratch. This is the second part of our Battle of the Carrot Cake series, okay? The second part, the first one, the video before this, was the box carrot cake. And now today is from scratch. This is the best recipe. It's been in my family for a long time. My mom taught me how to make this when I was a little girl, so I've been making this for years, and it is the best, trust me. Okay, so the first step is to peel and rinse your carrots. Next, you need to shred your carrots with a food processor. Here are our ingredients. We will put our recipe down below.
Yeah.
So we don't have to tell you each measurement, okay? Oil, canola, or vegetable oil. We're just in a little bit of a hurry today. Sure you guys don't mind. Now let's add the other stuff. A little bit of salt. And vanilla extract.
I love vanilla.
Cinnamon. And baking soda.
Yeah.
Okay, that's what it looks like so far. Now we're gonna add our flour and carrots.
Okay, so now we're gonna add the big
No, we gotta mix it. Okay, now we just add our carrots. Okay, looking good. Okay, we are gonna bake it in a fun pan. You have it flour and greased and flour. We're ready to pour it in.
Yep.
Wow, that looks pretty interesting. Really?
Yeah. The eggs.
Okay.
Thanks guys for watching our video.
For the carrot cake from scratch.
Yeah.
And our next video is going to be the actual battle of the carrot cakes. Okay, so we went and interviewed some people and asked them to taste our carrot cake from a box with the pre-made frosting, and then they tasted our from scratch, beautiful, wonderful carrot cake with homemade cream cheese frosting.
Yes.
So click on the next video and stay tuned to find out who won, the box carrot cake or from scratch. Okay, thanks for watching.
Bye.
Like and subscribe. Bye.